So this is the fourth video in the introduction to quarterly theory, and I'll be covering the other types of cracking correlations that we can be using. The first one will be SMT fill. Okay, and this is when we have a cracking correlation between gaps. Okay, now this can be any type of gap, like your fair value gap, band price range, or inversion fair value gaps, new week opening gaps, new day opening gaps. Okay, any type of gap can be used. And what this would look like on a chart is this. Okay. Well, we have a fair value gap here. Okay. We have our fair value gap here. And on the same gap, must be the same gap, price is trading into it on one asset, whereas it's not being traded into on the other asset. Okay, this is SMT fill. This cracking correlation will cause price to reverse, and you will most commonly use it on continuations. Okay, this is the first one. The second one that we will cover is going to be SMT with true opens. Hopefully you can start to guess what this is. This is a cracking correlation between true opens. And the one that we'll probably be using the most will be between the true week open. Okay, so if we have this asset 1, asset 2, and we are trading below the true open on one asset, but we're failing to on the other one. This here is also a cracking correlation. And as I said, this will most likely be the true week open that we'll be paying attention to. Hopefully that makes sense. The third type will be SMT between premium and discount. I'm sure you can guess what this is. We have this scenario, and we draw our premium and discount. Here, price is trading into discount on one asset, but failing to on the other asset. And this is a cracking correlation as well. So hopefully you can see that there are so many different types of cracks and correlations. And then the fourth one will be a precision breaker. Okay. I'm sure you know what our breaker block is. We have a high, a low, a high, high, and then a lower, low. Actually, I'll do it the other way around. We have a low, a high, a lower low, and then a higher high. Okay, this is our precision breaker, our typical breaker block, with it being on the last up close candle here. This is our breaker block. When this breaker block is also a precision swing point or precision candle, it becomes even higher probability. We have an even higher probability that this breaker will hold. Okay? And this is our precision breaker. Now, one thing I want to point out is that these are all supplementary to our trading. When we're building a trading model, I recommend that you completely base it around sequential SMT and precision swing points. You'll have the most success with a model using those foundations. You can then add these various types of cracks and correlations to your model, but I would not solely focus your model on these. Okay? So I hope this also helped, and that this series to quarterly theory, this introduction, was helpful.